Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace your Volvo S60 T5 air filter with this K&N high flow air filter. The model number is E2019. This is a cylindrical model, and I've already replaced my car's air filter with this K&N. So there's nothing inside the box. I just wanted to make a few comments before I actually show you the video on how to replace it. This is my original air filter. As you can see, it's a Volvo. But the K&N is actually a little smaller lengthwise, and it does come with a hose and clamp to compensate for that. But I would just like to mention that it is a little finicky and difficult to actually install just because of the size discrepancy. If you buy 3 of the originals, it's kind of like getting one of these. I don't know if I would want to take it out and wash it and replace it. It's very much easier to install the originals than the K&N. You're going to have to remove 4 screws. This is a T25 torx. An old air filter. Just going to wipe some of the debris. See, to me even the clamp seems a little small. I mean, it's going to be a tight fit. This is a 6mm. I'm going to just loosen the clamp a little bit. I tried to put this air filter in several different ways. The best solution that I found was to align the V with the actual V on the box. So align the left side first. I found that this is the easiest method to actually put in the air filter. I tried like several different ways. The instruction says actually put this right side first and then try to align it with the arrow on the left side. But I found that usually when you try to tilt it or whatnot, it actually is a little bit difficult to fit in. So I found this solution to be the best. Just put the left arrow in the box and then put a flathead screwdriver in the middle of the clamp like so, and then just pop the air filter in and just work your way around the hose. And then this is the clamp. Just go around.